Hi guys, I'm Jessica from Hot Knots and I'm crocheting over here in Italy. Today I'm going to show you how to make the knit stitch, which is also known as the center single crochet stitch. So this is an example of something I made using the knit stitch. This is a purse I have. I think it looks really modern and fun, and it also makes your work extra sturdy. So this is really good for like baskets and things like that. So let's get started. So before we get started working on the knit stitch, I'm going to tell you a big secret. The knit stitch works best when you're working round and round and round, not going back and forth in rows. Basically what I'm saying is that you don't want to turn your work and work on the wrong side. You want to always work on the right side. So this means making things that are circular. They don't have to be circular, it could be a square basket, but basically where you keep working and continue in the same direction, you don't flip your work. This pot holder I made over here is an example of when I turned my work, and you cannot see the stitches as clearly as you can whenever you work around like this. This was a doorstop that I was making. Okay, so that's why I'm making a basket for this tutorial. This is the base of a basket I just made. And with the knit stitch, you always start with one row of single crochet stitches, which is what I have here, a row of regular single crochet. And now we're going to do our first knit stitch. So when you make a regular single crochet, you would go into the top, going underneath the top two loops, and then you yarn over. That's how you would usually do it. Whenever you make the center single crochet, you want to go in between the two little legs. And if you stretch this out, there is like this post here. You want to go underneath that, in between the two legs. So I'm just going to go inside, yarn over, and go through. And you can see that it's in the center between the two legs. In the next one, I've got my two legs. You can see that there's this little post. I'm going to go under there and complete a single crochet like normal. I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm just going to go in between the two little legs, underneath this bit, and come through. Okay? So I'm going to go around till I finish this row of my basket. And joined the very first one that I made. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. And whenever I join, this was my chain one at the very beginning of my row. I'm going to go inside my chain one stitch, and that's going to be a pretend knit stitch. So I'm just going to go in between, inside of it, and slip, and then chain one for my next row, and continue to work in the same direction. I'm not going to turn it around and work in the other direction, because then it doesn't look exactly the same. So I'm going to do a few rows of this, a few rounds of this, and show you what my little basket looks like with the knit stitches. Okay, and this is what the basket looks like after you've done a few rows. You guys, this is like so adorable. It's just really cute. I think that it kind of looks like little hearts almost. It's really nice. Anyway, this is a great little gift idea to give away to anyone you can think of. I have given these little baskets away to my neighbors for their birthdays. I have like this close connection with my neighbors. My son's teacher for Christmas, I made a red and green basket and added a bow. I've given these away. I've made these for baby showers, for little favors. I made several of these and made it like a sea theme with like a little seashell. I've done these baskets so many times and given them away. It's just a great idea. It's really quick and fun and easy, I think. So yeah, this is how you do the knit stitch. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's the end of our video for today. And I would love for you guys to comment below and tell me who you're going to be giving away these to as gifts. I would just love to know what you're doing in your life. I give these away, like I said, to my son's teacher for Christmas gifts, to my mom, my mother-in-law. I make them for baby showers. I do so much with these little baskets. They're just great. So I want to know what you're doing. Comment below and don't forget to follow my channel. See you guys at the next video. Bye.